Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a coupon code on Best Buy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Best Buy website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top section and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end back within the home page. Now, if you wish to use a promo code for any product, then you will simply need to purchase the product first. Once you find a product that you wish to buy, just click on the Add to Cart option, and now you can click on the Go to Cart option in order to finalize your purchase. You can choose your pickup or shipping option, and once you click on the Checkout button to proceed forward with your payment, you will find the promo code option within the payment page. After entering all of the information and proceeding forward with the checkout, you can enter your promo code and finalize your purchase. And there you have it. That is how you can apply a coupon code on Best Buy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.